7. Explanation. Length. If we measure the length of something using similar means, it measures the same. The meter is a standard unit which is used for measuring length. If we divide a meter into 100 equal parts, each part is called a centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Meter to centimeter. A meter is 100 times as long as a centimeter. We use the standard unit meter to measure bigger distances. In the table, write whether you will measure the following lengths or distances in centimeters or meters. Length of a pencil, centimeter. Length of your notebook, centimeter. Distance between two buildings, meter. Length of a mobile phone, centimeters. Width of a road, meter. Distance between two poles, meter. Measurement, weight, mass. If something is weighed using standard weights, it measures the same no matter who does the weighing. The kilogram is a standard unit for measuring weight. Measurement, volume and capacity. The liter is a standard unit for measuring liquids. 5 1-liter bottles of water were poured into this bucket. The volume of the water in the bucket is 5 liters. Find out how much more water can be added to fill this bucket completely. This bucket can hold 12 liters of water. It means that the capacity of this bucket is 12 liters. The amount of water that is needed to fill any container, such as a pot, a bucket, a drum, or a pan, is called the capacity of the container.